Your next car could be the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, multi-zone AC, dual-zone AC, electronic stability control. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.